The banana and mayonnaise sandwich gained traction during the Great Depression, valued for its affordability and straightforward preparation. This unique combination brings together the sweetness of bananas and the tanginess of mayonnaise on bread. Similarly, the peanut butter and bacon sandwich emerged in the 1950s, distinguished by its sweet, salty, and creamy flavors. It represented an easy and economical choice for many. In Hawaii during the 1950s, Spam and pineapple sandwiches became a culinary highlight, blending salty Spam with sweet pineapple. This pairing reflects the era's post-war creativity and nostalgic tastes. Another notable dish from the Great Depression is the peanut butter and tomato sandwich, which showcases resourcefulness with its affordable ingredients. Using staple items, it created a nutritious meal for those in need. During the 1940s, sardine and onion sandwiches gained popularity for their unique flavor while remaining budget-friendly. This combination appealed to working-class families seeking nutritious meals during challenging times. Additionally, the pickle and peanut butter sandwich emerged as an unusual yet popular creation in the Great Depression. Its savory and tangy flavor profile intrigued many, inviting curiosity. Transitioning to a healthier era, the 1970s and 80s saw the rise of the tuna and cottage cheese sandwich, which offered high protein at a low cost. This option particularly attracted budget-conscious consumers. In the 40s and 50s, the banana and ham sandwich found its place due to the availability of bananas. However, its sweet and savory blend did not appeal universally. The peanut butter and onion sandwich exemplifies mid-20th century culinary experimentation, revealing how unconventional ingredients were embraced during this time. During the Great Depression, individuals turned to economical ingredients like peanut butter and onions, demonstrating their resourcefulness in creating satisfying meals amidst hardship. In the 1950s and 60s, the cream cheese and jelly sandwich gained traction, showcasing innovative flavor pairings. Its affordability made it a popular choice among families. The chicken salad and grape sandwich introduced a refreshing twist on conventional recipes, quickly becoming a staple at social gatherings. Its flavorful mix of savory and sweet captivated many. The tuna and pickle sandwich from the 1950s also attracted attention for its quick preparation and affordability, resonating with homemakers and office workers alike. Contrarily, the chicken liver and onion sandwich, while economical, proved polarizing due to its robust flavors, reflecting the evolving palate of that era. Unique for its time, the liverwurst and peanut butter sandwich appealed to those adventurous enough to explore bold flavor combinations, marking a period of culinary experimentation. Variants of this sandwich may include ingredients like honey or salt, enhancing the overall flavor profile for those eager to try new things. Typically, this sandwich costs around 50 cents to $1 based on ingredient quality, presenting an appealing option for those seeking distinctive flavors on a budget. Despite its nutritional benefits, the unconventional taste of this sandwich puzzled many, ultimately contributing to its decline in popularity over time.